In transitions, when it's an obvious transition from one meeting to another, from seated to standing, um, from one email to another. So, in transitions, when you remember, notice what you feel like. Notice your felt sense. Notice how the body feels. Oh, I feel really constricted or rushed in this transition, but that transition I felt really spacious and really nice. Knowing how you feel in transitions helps inform how you might want to relate to some transitions differently. And over time, that information that you get, which won't be intellectual information, will be embodied felt sense information, can help inform um, a deeper learning for how you navigate future transitions. I think we're transitioning so often, so rapidly, so much, and this takes almost no effort other than to notice. You don't have to stop the transition, you don't have to pause, even really. Just if you're walking down the hall, oh, I'm transitioning from seated to the copy machine, notice the transition, notice how it feels in the body.